Did you know that research indicates that 1 in 4 women and 1 in 10 men report experiencing severe anxiety with physical symptoms like a racing heartbeat? And of working parents, 31% of women and 13% of men report having more to do than they can possibly handle, leading to increased stress levels and feelings of being overwhelmed. We'll add on hard to get supplies, interrupting the supply chain, to minimizing the distractions that come from working at home. There's simply a collective energy drain. Now, from a human wiring perspective, anytime there are stressors, your natural wiring will get amplified. And if you're naturally impatient, you might find yourself increasingly short-tempered with simple delays. And if you're wired with a high degree of certainty, every time there's added uncertainty, you might find yourself waking up during the night thinking through details. So what can be done? Well, an insightful question to ask is, what are creative ways to work productively that allow you to take control of your mental and physical energy? And first, understanding how you are naturally wired can make a real difference. And when you do, you can stop the burnout before it happens. I have clients who are naturally wired as team players. They're generally energized with face-to-face communication. They like to juggle multiple projects and have a high degree of precision, being careful that they produce work of high quality. Well, individuals wired that way oftentimes overcommit, doing everything for everyone else until they simply stop one day out of sheer exhaustion, or they blow up at the dog, or they wonder why they are consistently not feeling well. And once they learn tactics to evaluate their priorities and set boundaries, they have a plan from which to work from before making those additional commitments and piling more on their plate. They also learn the root cause of why they are saying yes, and they discover how to powerfully say no. See, when you understand what you innately need from a human wiring perspective, you can take proactive steps to build in self-care that works for you. Most importantly, you get to the root cause of why you do what you do, so that you can interrupt self-limiting patterns and make a permanent shift in the quality of your life and your leadership. If you're inspired to learn more about your human wiring, I invite you to join us on December 13th for Wired to Win 101, How Are You Hardwired? More information on the link below. I'm Lisa Manini. Until next week, create a great life.